Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to South Georgia Motorsports Park. It is the Spring Cup, Man Cup opener 2019. Here comes one of the veterans of the fearsome Top Fuel motorcycle category, a guy that's been doing it for 4 decades. It is the Redneck Express of Chris Hand. So far, no one's been in the 5s. Chris looking to do so at this event to be number 1. Qualifying position. He's been in the 5s before. 5 here, we put him on the top slide. Racers have struggled with this racetrack so far. Yesterday the rain came in. The green racing circuit. There is veteran Dick Boxell. Chris is coming saying he's leaking something. Mr. Dick, good to see you, Mr. Dick. I'm sorry, I know that's not the way you probably wanted to start your weekend. What do you think happened on that path?
We had gone up. There's some new components on the bike, and we just wanted to test them out.
Okay.
So that looked like it may have been a successful test.
Hey, the good news is that's the first run of the weekend. You got an opportunity to come back and get this thing ready for race day.
Yep, first run this year. It is what it is. You know?
There you go.
Thank you, Jack.
Good luck the rest of the weekend.
Thank you.
He's the veteran Dick Boxell, along with Sherry. Does such a great job. Not easy to get this motorcycle down the racetrack. The number 728, 177 to a 766, 169. Let's go. Look at how excited she is. I can't even catch her. She's running so fast. A 28. I couldn't even catch you. You were running so fast.
Oh my God! That's
that his
out of
best
the box. No, but out of the box, no nothing.
Out of the box, 28. Congratulations.
Wow.
Think they're pumped up or
Thanks.
what? There you go. Congratulations. Right side goes 1175. Guys, please subscribe to this channel. Please like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. And I want to know in the comments, yes or no, would you try this? Yes or no? Be honest. Appreciate it.